G'day. We've been called out previously to repair and install a lead-in conduit to this premises, and now we've just come back and installed a 23 AWG Cat 6 underground polyethylene leading cable to the PCD and ready for the installation. The cable length is approximately from the PCD to the 6 pit containing the DPU of around 47 metres. This is a lead-in pit here. It's a P5 recently installed. You would have seen the previous video on the repairs we had to do in order to put a new lead-in cable in. There's the Cat 6 polyethylene. We've refitted the tags for the DPU install, and we've ran it up the street approximately, as I said, around the 47 metre mark to where the DPU is located. This is the 6 pit located with the DPU. There's the Cat 6 cable pulled up, curled up here in the installation, and there's the DPU sat there, just recently installed, ready for connection in the next 3 to 4 weeks, I believe. We'll be going live here.